In today's video, we will cover how to set up and use Green Dot Overdraft protection. Follow along to learn everything you need to know about using Green Dot Overdraft online and via the app. To use Green Dot Overdraft online, start by visiting greendot.com using your web browser. Log into your account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Overdraft Protection section and click on it. Next, select the option to opt in to enable the overdraft protection feature. Carefully read through the overdraft protection agreement, then click Agree and opt in to finalize the process. Green Dot will review your request, and if you meet the direct deposit eligibility criteria, approve it. Once approved, Green Dot will cover transactions that exceed your available balance, providing overdraft protection up to $200. To use Green Dot Overdraft through the mobile app, open the Green Dot app on your device and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on Overdraft Protection and then tap Opt-in to enable the feature. View the Overdraft Protection Agreement, agree to the terms, and tap Opt-in to complete the process.